back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Lou, and yeah, welcome to my new vlog. Today we are going to KLCC, aka the Petronas Twin Towers, for lunch. We're going to get Korean fried chicken. So I recently started using this new foundation. It's the Power Fabric from Giorgio Armani, and even though it was a little pricey, but it's really nice.
Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the light.
So I have a new eyeshadow palette. It's the Dior Backstage. This one is in 003 Amber Neutrals, and it's a tiny palette which is really good for traveling. So I was using this during my entire trip in France, and yeah, so it's really practical. You can do like everyday looks, and as well as a little more glam. So these are the colors.
Linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. You see.
Okay, I'm done with my makeup. For my lips, I'm just using a tinted lip balm because it's heck and dry as usual. And oh yeah, I wanted to quickly show you the plants that we got from IKEA the other day. So this is our little Monstera plant, and we thought it would be nice to have one in the house, and we got this great pot for it. But finally, we don't really like this pot because it doesn't really match with the rest of our house. So maybe we might get another one that's white or something. The other plant, we have this fig leaf tree, it's called. So yeah, actually it grows into like a really big plant, but it's really tiny for now. And my husband chose this plant, which is kind of cute, and yeah, it has very thick leaves. And yeah, we bought this white pot for it. It's a little small, but it's fine because I don't think we're going to repot it yet. So yeah, our new fig leaf tree. So both these plants are very easy to care for. I think like I only water it once a week, so that's really convenient. And yeah, that's our new plant, baby.
Easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your own.
We've decided to eat at K-Fry because he's craving for like the cheesy kind of fried chicken. So we used to go to this place called Churcher. It's in Pavilion Mall, but they closed that. So this is actually our first time at K-Fry, and the reviews are good and it's pretty popular, so I think it'll be good. I'm so hungry now.
Arms as years go by, it's easier to love. Oh, easier to love. Oh, there's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away, and the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love. Oh, easier linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love.
Okay, I just got back from work, which explains why my hair is such a mess. Now we are going to meet up with some of our friends for dinner. We are getting Indian food today. Let's go, we don't want to be late.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life